So here's some systems of equations to solve in our linear function practice test. So 25 letter A, and again, remember I'll always label my equations, so I'll call this equation 1. X plus 3y equals negative 2, and I'll call this equation 2. 4x plus 12y equals negative 8. You can see that. And we want to get rid of one of the variables, so I guess we could get rid of the x's just as easy. So I'm going to multiply equation number 1 by negative 4, so I'll have opposites here. So I'll take equation number 1, and I'll multiply it by negative 4. When I do that, I have negative 4x, and then negative 12y equals positive 8. And then I can add these two equations. And the x is 4x minus 4x is 0, so I just end up with, well, this is interesting because this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0, so I end up with 0 equals 0. Well, how often is 0 equal to 0? Well, always, so the solution is all real numbers. These are basically the same line. If you multiply this by 4, you get this line. So they're the same line. Okay, and letter B. Equation 1 is 5x minus 3y equals 12. And equation 2 is 2x minus y equals 4. So the y's would probably be the easiest to take care of. So I can take equation 2 and I can multiply that by negative 3. So that's going to be negative 6x positive 3y equals negative 12. And I'll take equation number 1. And if I solve that, negative 3y and positive 3y become 0, so I've got negative 6x plus 5, so I've got a new equation, negative x equals 0. So that means that x equals 0. And I can put that into either value, so if I take equation number 2, two times x minus y equals 4, and x is 0, so 0 minus y equals 4, so negative y equals 4, so y equals negative 4. So that's your solution, 0, negative 4. And you could write it as an ordered pair if you want. X is 0, y is negative 4. Okay. So that's number 25.